not bad. What's it, probably 55 right here, but it is pretty windy. Hopefully you can hear us on the video. But there's snow over there on that mountain still. Only in that one spot. It's just beautiful up here.
Up when it's clear, so it's nice to be able to clear. Last year it was real cloudy. Couldn't see much.
Last year it was like 60-mile-an-hour winds and like 38 degrees.
And I don't know what it was last year. Last year was the first time we actually able to feel the pressure and all that killer headaches and feel the oasis.
Yeah. That was in August.
That was the only time we felt that, which was
It's windy. It's hard to hold the camera steady.
what, is it the fifth time up maybe?
I think it's our 5th time up. Yeah.
Wasn't gonna go up this year, but new bike, gotta do it for the YouTube, so we're doing it.
Got to do it for the sticker. This bike has to climb Mount Washington. It's brand new. Man, it's windy. It's blowing me over. It's a good time. What do you say we get the bikes back up, put our helmets on, and keep on trucking? Going all the way up there. Up to the top. All right, made it to the top, like 6,100 feet. Everybody made it. Nobody dropped their bike. Cole.
Oh, come on. That's not fair.
That was towards you.
I know. One time.
We made it.
Not even that windy.
Got front row parking right at the top.
Seen the side-by-side up there. That's a new. I hadn't seen
Yeah, never seen side-by-sides in ATVs. It's pretty cool. I almost hit one head on coming up, but
You're all right.
not a problem. We're gonna hike up those stairs up there all the way to the top where the actual summit is at 6,288 feet, and do a little filming up there and take a couple pictures.
Two amigos up here. Amigo number 2 is at the bottom, but we'll let him get a pass because he's editing videos for you guys, so we'll let it slide.
And there's a reason we call him amigo number 2 also.
Because he's always going.
Because he's always going number 2. It's just what he does.
It's not right.
All right. I'm already out of breath. got cold beer at the top?
Yeah. I thought they did.
Unfortunately not. I wish.
Is there an area halfway up where I can cool my legs down that are burning? No. Oh boy. I'm having fat guy problems. Look at Moran. Building's chained down.
Moran's already been up, down, and back to catch us.
Is the airway thinner?
Definitely out of breath.
Whew. It's thin up here. Thin air up here. Oh.
Those
But it's worth it. Look at that. Look at that. That sign is the peak. I think this Amigo's got to lay off on the burritos, definitely. Oh.
That's crazy.
Over here. You can go.
No.
Down here when we came down to the bottom.
It's the cog railway. There's a gear in the bottom that hangs up on these. Climbs all the way up the mountain. Not sure I would do it, but maybe someday. It gets pretty steep. It's just gorgeous up here. It's very gorgeous. It was worth $25. It's great. It's just great. We're having a good time. We're having a good time. You having a good time?
We're having a great time.
Oh,
You-
fantastic time.
You having a fantastic time?
Definitely. If you haven't been up here before, highly recommend.
Devin, do you even know where you are? Or are you taking a nap?
I had a nap halfway up.
Mt.Washington Cog Railway. That's cool. You made it to the top. No, thank you. Did you do that?
What, the train? No
Yeah, you
way.
think that thing's got a coming?
I think it is.
Come back down. A lot easier coming down. There's ice cold beer at the top. Just kidding. Not sure we had the microphone plugged in all the way, but just kind of got to go with the flow, make the best of it. Let's make our way back down this mountain.
Sounds good.
This would be nice, very fuel efficient coming down now. Huh? Yeah. Remember, Cole, first gear, 6,000 RPM sounds the best.
Right.
All right, let's hit it. My head hurts. The helicopter pad. I kind of want to drift it. What do you think? Back to pavement. Watch out for that Dodge. I'm not trying to kill my brakes. Not like these guys. I'm inhaling brake dust from these two. Feels like it takes longer to come down than it does to go up. We're at 1900. I think we're just about to pop out. Yeah, here's the new pavement from the start. This bike has climbed the Mt.Washington Auto Road. So the four behind me. We did it. We did it. We did it.